So here you can see the correct drawing for last week. It is uploaded on Moodle in the topic week 10. You can get this drawing from Moodle and compare it to your drawing. Uh, Here you can see that the stairs here are the same as here. The repetitive floor has two entries from this side and this side. When we enter to the building, first floor here, we can see a door. This door could be seen here. For example, I can draw it. This door, if I want to draw it, I see it in this way. I can see a door here. So I take a distance, the height of the door 2 meters. So I write a line 2-meter height and 1 meter width, and I stop here. Right. So here, if you can see this door in the first floor, ground floor, it is seen in this way. If I take this section here, I can see the door. This door here is the same one in a section view. This is a section view. So here I can, if I look to this side as in section A, I'm looking to that side, so I can see this door here. I go to stairs up, I went up here. I arrived to this slab, which is this one here. So I continue the second path. I arrive to the first floor. First floor, I arrive to this slab here. So in this slab here, I can see another door. It is a repetitive floor plan. So if I look to your drawing, for example, Hamdan drawing has some mistakes here in dimension. Dimension are not aligned. So he has to use a continuous dimension to draw the dimension as it is here. They are aligned, same line, same line. The other things is good, but sure, the path is not correct. He can put these stairs here, same. He can copy these stairs, for example. Right click, copy, take this is the base point and put it here. Put it at this point. So it is the same stairs. Okay, but here I think when I copy, I delete the origin. If I do it again, here when I copy something, I can keep origin. If I copy selection, base point is here. So second point here, I can put it in this point. Okay, enter. So I can copy same steps here. It's better to remove this line to see it clearly. So here just he has to correct the dimension so that they could be seen on the same line as they are here. And you have to understand the section view. This is a plan view for staircase as it is here. Those walls here are same as those walls. And the section view, it seems as it is here. This door is seen in this way here. It's very important that you understand this view, how it is conducted. If I take another example from your friend drawing, I can see this example, this one, for example. Also, this one, the dimensions are not aligned. here the dimension must be aligned. So pay attention to the dimension, please. Write them and control the dimension property. Dimension property must be correct. So we took a class previously about dimension property. So they have to be seen in this way. Extension beyond dimension line must be 0.3. Dimension extension line must be fixed, must have fixed lengths. This dimension, for example, type is a small dimension. If I click on properties, I see this window, modify. So here, extension line must have a fixed length, which is 0.3. Fixed length for extension line 0.4, extend beyond dimension line 0.3. 0.3 is this length. From this point here, from this point to this point, this is 0.3. And this is the extension line fixed length, which is 0.5. So control these properties and try to draw dimension on the same line using align dimension. If I look to this drawing here, it is completely wrong. You can see that the line here is not engineering drawing. This one, we draw a line as you want. No, it is completely wrong. And here, this line must be here, not here. And when you hatch this area. So the hatch is not correct. The drawing is not correct. Dimension is not mentioned. If I take this example, you can see the dimensions are aligned, but unfortunately the extension line and extend beyond dimension line is not correct. So you have to correct it. And here, this line, it's not here, it must be here. So here, this line must be moved from this point to this point. Okay, so this line is not correct. The last line is here, so you have to continue to correct this drawing, for example. So please take this drawing from Moodle. It is uploaded on Moodle, and try to do it again correctly so that you can have the same drawing as it is here. This is it's drawn on AutoCAD. And pay attention to dimension style. We have two dimension style, big and small. Also for text style, we have big and small. Here it is a small text size. Here it is a big text size. Now, if you have any question, you can switch on your mic and ask me. If there is no question, please come back to your drawing, try to correct your mistakes, and do it as it is here.
أستاذ
Now, yes?
أستاذ لو ما عليك أمر بس لو تعيد الغلطة اللي أنا سويتها.
The mistake in your drawing is the dimension. They are not aligned. Those dimensions must be on the same line. You can see they are not. Here, you can see them aligned, all of them. But if I look to your drawing, they are not aligned. You can see this one here, this one here. So if you want to draw it correctly, first you have to delete those drawings. Delete them. You click on dimension. You draw one dimension, just one, from here to here. I have to take and notate dimension from this point to this point. Where it is, I cannot see it. Ah, okay. Maybe the layer is off. are in diff point. Let us be on 0 for it. You have dimension layer? Yes, you have dimension layer. So if I write the dimension now, from this point here to this point in this way, okay? So this is first dimension. Sure, you have to control the dimension style. Small dimension style is not correct here. If I change it from here, I go to small, modify, dimension property. If I go to line, I told you extension beyond dimension line must be 0.3. Fixed length for extension line, let it 0.5. Okay, close. Now it is correct. So this is first dimension. Now I click on continue dimension. It starts from this dimension. So I click on this point, this point, this point, and this one. So this is aligned one beside other. This text, I have to take it away, put it here. I can click here, delete it, continue. So if I want to draw a dimension line from here to here, I have to click on select. That means I want to start from this point. Then I click here, enter. So this is align dimension. This is correct. But previously it wasn't. So you have to do same thing here. Do I need to repeat it here also?
No, no need, teacher, no need.
Okay, try it, do it. You have to do it in this way. Okay, and you can draw another dimension to be clear from this point to this point. You put it here. Okay, as it is in my drawing, you can see it. So correct your dimension and understand the section view. This is a section view. This is a plan view. So the plan view, if I make a section, I will see this. This plan view, it is the same as it is here. So I took it from here, I put it here alone, and I draw the section aligned. In the section, you have to pay attention that this stairs, it is in the same line. This one and this one, this is first step. This is first step, I see it here. This is last step, it is here. Also, if I continue this line, it have to meet this point. So they are on the same line, on the same line. This line, first step and last step from each pass, they have to be aligned with the section view. Okay. We have something to take the alignment. We have another AutoCAD element, which is construction line. Construction line, if I go to draw command here, I have something called construction line, this one. This is construction line command. If I click on, he asked me, I want to draw horizontal or vertical. I tell him I want to draw vertical. So here I can click on any point. He draw me lines on the whole drawing. You can see this is construction line. They must be aligned. This wall, the section of this wall is here. The section of this wall is here. This is the slab. This is the slab. The other slab here, it is here. So these plan view must be aligned with the section view, completely aligned. So I can delete those construction lines. Those construction lines just to show me the alignment between plan view and section view. Try please to correct this drawing. And tomorrow I give you another session at 11:30 for any question or any problem you face during your work today. I will try to answer your question also tomorrow if you have more questions. and I hope you good day. Do you have any more question, Hamdan?
No, thank you, teacher. Everything is understood.
Okay, very good. Malak, no questions? Okay, we can stop now. See you tomorrow if you have more questions. This drawing is available on Moodle Week 10. Try to download it, and this video I will put it on YouTube for those who are not able to attend this session today. Assalamu alaikum.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.